This homemade remedy is for anyone who desires to have longer hair or anyone whose hair is breaking. So this is a simple trick that one can use to grow out her natural hair or stop breakage. To make this, you need aloe vera gel and rosemary water. So here I am cutting the aloe vera that I will be needing for this remedy. After cutting it, what I will do is to blend it. Yeah, if you don't have blender, you can use your cheesecloth to smash it and start pressing out the gel, but here I don't need to do that. So I use blender to blend. After blending, I use my cheesecloth to extract the gel from it. So here, this is the dry rosemary leaf that I'm using. So this hot water, I poured hot water, then add two tablespoons of dry rosemary. So here is the dry rosemary. I'm extracting the water, so after which I will mix them together, turn them. If you have essential oil, that is optional. If you wish to, you can add it here, but I did not add mine. I just want it the way it is. After mixing them, you then pour it in any ice cube that you have. So this is it. This is the ice cube rosemary and aloe vera gel that I made. Once I'm done taking it out, I will now go ahead and pour it in a dry, clean container and put it back in the freezer so that it won't melt. So here I will be demonstrating how I apply it on my hair. I concentrated more on my scalp area, after which I then now take a few of the cube and add in a clean water in my applicator bottle, allow it to dissolve there. Then I spread it on my scalp, apply my moisturizing cream, then twist it back. That is what I did. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and do not forget to turn on your post notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload a new video.